Okay, so today we'll be going over the Django-Bootstrap-grid classwork. First, let's read the instructions, use the link for CSS grids if we are unsure, which we're not going to use. Grid is site similar to the 2019-03's classwork page image. In this project, using anything you've learned so far, make it look like the image, click the white border around the block, 3 different pages, 1, 2, and 3. Each page should have a different white background. Of course, you were told not to make the third page, but I did anyway. Each page should have a different background. The next previous button should work. Page 1 shouldn't have a previous button. Page 3 shouldn't have a next button. So here's the image that we have to replicate. Of course, white background, square, big section over here that just lists the page number, and section over here with just content with the previous and next button. So of course, we built our URLs and our views. We just have index B page 1, and you can see here we just have a div with a header, block content, block footer with links to the buttons. On page 2, we extend index so that we just replace block content on 2 for the page number to 2 in the block footer. We just add the extra necessary buttons, and on page 3, we do the same thing. Index CSS, you can see here, we currently just set the body to 100%, make everything extra large so it's a bit more visible, and a little bit of padding to our divs, color blue, margin. Give it a grid, give it 2 columns, one at 30%, one at 70%, 2 rows, one at 60%, one at 40%. Text align it to the, we have our headers where it's text align to the right. We have it populate in the grid column 1, row 1, with padding on the right. With our section, we have padding on the left. Give it a border on the left that is a black 1 pixel size border that is solid. It populates in grid column 2, row 2, or row 1. Our footer has padding on the top and the left at 2 different percentages with the populating at grid column 2, row 2. Then the buttons have a margin on the right 3%. They have a dark gray background with a solid black border. Give it a little bit of radius to round it out, and some padding. Now, if we look here, we can see what it looks like. Now, as you can see, it doesn't maybe exactly match, but it's good enough in my case. We have this here, we have our content, and we have the buttons. And as you can see, so we're on page 1. It doesn't have a previous button, and once we're on page 3, it doesn't have a next button. Now, if we inspect here, hover over our div, you can see it does have 4 boxes for our grid. So now, if you want to look at my repository, you can go to Django-Bootstrap_grid-classwork tdude0175. If you have any more questions, just let us know.